Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Bissell 1214 filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the peak performance of your vacuum cleaner, ensuring that every clean is as effective as the first. And today we're diving deep into why this specific filter might just be the unsung hero your cleaning routine has been missing, helping you breathe easier and keep your home spotless with unparalleled efficiency. Number 5. KEEPOW filters for Bissell Febreze Style 1214. Experience a light floral fragrance that neutralizes odors. Enjoy a fresher feeling every time you clean your home. These filters are designed to seamlessly fit your Bissell CleanView swivel pet vacuums. Ensure optimal performance with the right fit. Keep your Bissell Power Glide vacuum running smoothly with these compatible filters. They are made to fit various series for your convenience. Specifically designed for Bissell PowerForce Helix vacuums, these filters ensure your machine operates at its best. Get the performance you expect. Maintain the effectiveness of your Bissell Pet Hair Eraser vacuum. These filters are a perfect match for various series, tackling pet messes with ease. This cost-effective package includes 3 vacuum filters. You get great value while keeping your compatible vacuums in top condition. These replacements are washable and can be reused after drying completely. Please note that washing may reduce the fragrance intensity. What we like. If you're looking for a way to combat pet odors while you clean, this filter is a great choice. Its light floral fragrance actively neutralizes undesirable smells, leaving your home smelling fresh. Choose this if you want a pleasant cleaning experience and a noticeable improvement in air quality. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust and debris, keeping the air clean. The filter is washable and reusable, which is a great feature. Number 4. Bissell CleanView Vacuum Filter 4-Pack. Keep your Bissell CleanView vacuum running smoothly with this 4-pack of replacement filters. They are designed to be compatible with various CleanView rotary vertical models. These filters feature high-quality materials and activated carbon cotton for secondary filtration. They effectively capture dust, ensuring a cleaner environment for you and your family. Enjoy the convenience of washable and reusable filters. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 3 to 6 months. Installing these filters is a breeze. They are designed for simple, convenient, and fast replacement, as demonstrated in the accompanying video. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 30-day return and exchange warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who prioritize effective dust filtration and long-term value, this option is ideal. The activated carbon cotton layer ensures secondary filtration, capturing fine dust particles. If you appreciate a product with a solid warranty and the ability to wash and reuse the filter, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust and debris, keeping the air clean. The filter is washable and reusable, which is a great feature. Number 3. KEEPOW Vacuum Filter and Belt for Bissell. Ensure your Bissell vacuum runs smoothly with our compatible filter and belt kit. It's designed to fit various CleanView and PowerForce models, making replacement simple. Replacing the belt and filter is a breeze. Just a few screws and you'll have your vacuum back in top shape, ensuring optimal performance. Regularly replacing these parts is key to maintaining your vacuum suction power. Keep it running efficiently with our recommended replacements. Our high-quality filters are made from eco-friendly materials. They capture 99.97% of tiny particles, down to 0.3 microns, for a cleaner home. This economical pack includes 4 filters and 2 belts. Save time and money with readily available spare parts, no need for extra trips. What we like. If you have a Bissell CleanView Compact or PowerForce Compact and want a complete maintenance solution, consider this kit. It not only includes filters that capture tiny particles but also replacement belts, ensuring your vacuum runs at peak performance. This is perfect for those who want to save time and money by getting essential parts together. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust and debris, keeping the air clean. The filter is washable and reusable, which is a great feature. Number 2. KEEPOW replacement filter for Bissell vacuums. Keep your home clean with our high-quality replacement filters. They are designed to perfectly fit a wide range of Bissell vacuum models, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you have a CleanView, PowerGlide, PowerForce Helix, or Pet Hair Eraser, these filters are compatible. They are designed to work seamlessly with your existing vacuum. This package includes 3 replacement filters, offering a cost-effective solution to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Get great value with this multi-pack. Our filters are washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly and economical choice. Simply wash them and ensure they are completely dry before the next use. For the best results, we recommend replacing your filter every 3 to 6 months. This ensures your vacuum continues to perform at its peak efficiency. These filters are a great alternative to the original part number 12141. Enjoy the same great quality and performance at a better value. What we like. If you prefer a filter that focuses purely on performance without added scents, this is the one. It's designed for effective filtration and can be washed and reused, offering a practical and economical choice. Opt for this if you have sensitivities to fragrances or simply want a no-frills, high-performing filter. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust and debris, keeping the air clean. The filter is washable and reusable, which is a great feature. Number 1. Bissell Febreze Aeroswift Replacement Vacuum Filter, 11621. Tired of lingering odors? This filter eliminates them and freshens your home as you clean. It's a simple way to keep your living space smelling great. Did you know your vacuum has filters that need regular attention? Bissell recommends checking and replacing them every 3 to 6 months for optimal performance. If you have pets that shed or family and friends who track in dirt, you'll want to replace your filters more frequently. This ensures your vacuum continues to work effectively. The foam filter is washable for your convenience. Simply hand wash it in warm water, with a mild detergent if you prefer. Ensure it's completely air-dried before reinserting. This replacement filter is designed to work specifically with the Aeroswift and PowerTrack models. Please check your vacuum's compatibility before purchasing. What we like. For a truly fresh cleaning experience, this filter is designed to eliminate odors and freshen your home as you vacuum. If you love the idea of your vacuum leaving behind a pleasant scent, especially if you have pets or a busy household, this is the perfect choice. It's also washable, offering convenience and reusability. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for my Bissell 1214. It effectively captures dust and debris, keeping my air clean. Easy to install and replace, making maintenance a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.